Hello and welcome to this short presentation of the Trojan 2 Compact. My name is Mikkel Wigman and I'm the Managing Director of Trojan Label. The customers for our Trojan 2 Compact is the label converters, it's the brand owners and manufacturers, and it's also the professional printing houses who are seeking new business in order to increase their profitability. We call this a walk-away printer. This means the operator can start the print, walk away, get a cup of coffee, and come back and have perfect roll-ups with 100% consistent print quality from the first label to the final label. One of the clear advantages of the small factor of the Trojan 2 Compact is that we waste a minimum amount of media when we load new rolls. If you look at the web path here, unwinder, a very short distance to the rewinder. So no waste on the blank labels when you start a new printing job. The return on investment on a Trojan 2 Compact can obviously be calculated in many ways. But it's cold data that this unit runs 18 meters a minute. And we have such a small drop size that the ink consumption is reduced to an absolute minimum. Now you want to produce finalized rolls that you could put on the applicator. Thus, we actually put in a small knife system so you can cut them while running. Two rolls of perfect printed labels.